Hello everyone, I've been practicing trying to make a wig. I did this part so far. So I did this so far and it's like really snug. Thanks to me knowing how to sew already. So I'm about to do my second track right now. I'm gonna do the fold over method. I don't want to cut these tracks. I'm just practicing because I don't even know if I'm gonna really like this wig. So I'm doing the fold over method right now. It's gonna be my second time, like second time today, doing the next track. Wish me luck. All right, let's get that. Line it up real good. Make sure the needle in like your next track, the fold over part, is really like lined up before you put your lever down. All right, and then since it's already lined up, put your lever down and all right. And another thing, if you don't want your wig to come out small, make sure you pull this tight because when it starts squishing up, that's when you're going to make it all small, like all squished together. Okay, y'all can see me. All right. Here we go. Let's do this. I'm going to go off slow because I'm beginning. Oh yeah, and the stitch is a zigzag stitch. It's a number 3. I'm going full as hell, y'all. I'm nervous. I'm nervous as hell. Oh shit. Went fast. I'm used to sewing shit fast. Ooh. I'm so nervous. Scared. All right now. All right then. Okay. Make sure it is. Oh, sorry y'all. Freaking camera fairy. I touched it. Make sure you pull it because if it starts squeezing up, it's gonna come out small. So make sure you pull it. Make sure you pull it really taut. Really taut. Okay. And then like to secure your stitch, make sure you do a back stitch. Go back a little bit. Like a back stitch. Secure the back. Secure the slit like they securing the bag, you know. Let's see what I did, y'all, because I did a little bit too fast. Oh, your girl. Yes, yes. Yeah, ooh, if I can get it out though. Oh God. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all real quick. Y'all see this string right here? Always make sure after each stitch, cut it. You gotta cut it. You gotta cut the string or you're gonna have string everywhere. Boom.